Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough tour of our 2016 BMW X1 xDrive 20D. I'm just going to run through the specification of this car, just pointing out some of the main standout features. To begin with, on the exterior you have the Esterol blue metallic paintwork as an optional feature. The vehicle also comes with the optional Sport Design diamond turned alloy wheels, the optional privacy glass for the rear windows, and being an M Sport model means you get the M Sport front and rear bumpers as a standard feature, the chrome kidney grills, LED tail lights, LED daytime running lights at the front, and also the chrome exhaust pipe finishes. The vehicle does come as standard with a full leather interior upholstery, the M Sport leather trimmed steering wheel with access to cruise control, your leather trimmed gear selector, your sports modes, your climate control functions, your heated front seats, and your central display screen where you can access features such as your DAB radio, satellite navigation, and parking sensor display screen. This vehicle does also come with the optional panoramic glass sunroof visible above with the opening sliding function, a powered folding tailgate at the rear, and as you can see, 40-20-40 split folding rear seats with a massive boot space available. If you'd like to know any more information about this car, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.